This video is going to show you how to set up your WaveLink wireless doorbell. Your doorbell should have already been paired out of the box. If you need to repair, change the doorbell tune, add a push button or receiver, please follow these steps. First, press the tunes button on the receiver to select desired tune. There are 52 ringtones to choose from. Second, press both the tunes and volume buttons simultaneously to go into learning mode. Promptly press the push button within 5 seconds to complete pairing. To adjust the volume, press the volume button on the receiver. There are 4 volume levels to choose from. To reset all settings, hold the tunes button for 5 seconds until the receiver beeps. The receiver should not ring when you press the push button. This means you have successfully reset all settings.